Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I hope you are all well. Today our topic is the rules of alif. Before we begin, I want to explain the heavy letters and the light letters. There are 7 heavy letters: kha, sad, ghat, ghain, ta, qaf, za. Easy way to remember these heavy letters: khussa, ghagutin, qif. These letters are called mufakham or mustaliya letters. The remaining letters are light letters and they are called murakkak or mustafila letters. There are 3 letters that are pronounced sometimes heavily and sometimes lightly. Those 3 letters are the lam of the word Allah, alif and ra. We have discussed the lam of the word Allah in the previous video. In this video, we are talking about alif, and in the upcoming video, inshallah, we will talk about the rules of ra. Let's start our main topic, the rules of alif. Sometimes an alif is pronounced heavily and sometimes lightly. First, we will check the letter before the alif. If there is a heavy letter before the alif, then the alif with that letter is pronounced heavily. For example, khasiratun. In this example, there is kha, a heavy letter before the alif. So the alif with kha will be read heavily. Khasiratun, not khasiratun. If there is a light letter before the alif, then the alif with that light letter will be pronounced lightly. For example, tabaraka. In this example, ba, a light letter, is coming before the alif. So the alif with ba will be read lightly. Tabaraka, not tabaraka. I hope you have understood this rule. Assalamu alaikum.